Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix pause USB PD charging when gaming grayed out on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let us start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to advanced features and then tap on it, and then scroll down to game booster settings and then tap on it. And on this screen you can see here we have pause USB PD charging when gaming, this option. So currently this option is grayed out, so to fix it you have to plug your phone to a charger with a USB cable. Let me do that, and now you can see this option is not grayed out, so it's now fixed. Now you can enable or disable this option as per your choice. So I want to enable it. Let me do that. You can see it's now enabled. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.